Hi guys, Expert Scripter here, back again with a video guys. In today's video we're going to be learning how to make a shop GUI. So this is going to be in-game, so players are going to be able to buy this with currency in-game, not a Roblox shop Game Pass GUI. So what I've did is went ahead and made this. So this is just the frame, and it's, do you want to buy this sword for 120? So what we need to go ahead and do is insert a script into the workspace to make a leaderboard. So script. Okay guys, and what we want to write in this script is game.players.player added :connect function, and you want to put inside these brackets PLR. And click enter, and local stat equals instance dot new bool value, comma PLR, close that. We need to actually put quotation marks there. So, and stats dot name equals leader stats. So once you have that guys, you want to go ahead and put local cache equals instance dot new, and we're gonna have an int value and PLR. Oh, we forgot to close it off. So no, sorry, this is gonna be stats and cache.name. So this is what the name of your currency is going to be called on the leaderboard. So for this video I'm just going to name my cache. And finally cache.value, so this is how much the player's going to spawn in with. I'm just going to go with 121. And so guys, once you've did this, you just want to go and insert a local script inside of the ES button. So you should have the description of the item, picture of the item maybe, if you want to go that far. So I'm just going to go and insert a local script into this ES button. And what I'm going to put inside here is some variables first, just to get some stuff sorted. So I'm going to refine the things. Local players. So we need an item variable as well. So actually we're going to go ahead and insert a model into the workspace, and we're going to name this model tools, and we're going to put it in the replicated storage. And now we're going to look for a sword in the toolbox because I'm not making one. I will just go to my models and get the trail sword, right here. Should be down here. There we go. Color trail sword. We're just going to put it in the starter pack and put it into there, and we're going to name it sword. Oops. So we need to go back into this local script, and I'm going to be putting all of this down in the description below. So this is going to be a game which I'm going to allow you guys to edit. So yeah, so local item equals game dot replicated storage dot tools dot sword. So I'm gonna put a amount variable as well. Local amount equals, let's see, I think it's 120. Did I say? Yeah, 120. So now we can go ahead and go do the script. So just drop 2 lines into script dot parent dot mouse button 1 click connect function. And now, so this is going to be checking if the player has enough money for the item. So if PLR.leader PLR.leader.cache.value is bigger than or equal to 120, then, oh sorry, we can put amount then So we want to do plr.leader stats. plr.leader stats.cache.value equals plr.leader cache.value minus amount. So guys, what that's going to do there, the PLR, so player's cache, the value of the player's cache equals the player's cache value minus the amount. So it's going to take away the 120. So once it's took away the money, you obviously want the player to receive the item. So you're going to do item colon clone with the open bracket closing bracket dot parent equals plr dot backpack. So that's going to make the player, let's say, it's going to put the sword into the player's backpack. And if you want the player to keep this item, meaning like, I don't know, let's say you want the player to, when they reset, you want them to keep the item. So this is going to allow the player to keep the item when they reset. So basically what you want to type is for this is item, so the same line of code basically. You just need to change at the end. Item clone dot parent equals plr dot here. So guys, that's going to make the player keep the item when they reset. If you've got some sort of data table that saves items, then that's pretty good. And after all of this, you want the script dot parent, script dot parent dot visible equals false. So after they've clicked this, so I'm just going to run through the code, guys. So this is just a variable, so we know for quickness, so we don't have to write all of this. So if the player clicks this button, and if the player has more than 120 cash, then it's going to take away the amount, and it's going to clone the item into the backpack, and clone the item into the starter gear. So, and after that, it's going to make the this whole thing visible. I mean, not visible. So let's go ahead and test this, guys. We've got 121 cash at the top, as you can see here. Studio's lagging a little bit. I have no idea why. So 121 cash. I'm going to press yes. So we've got the sword. And guys, if we go ahead and reset, I mean, it shouldn't have took the sword off or done anything with the sword. Yeah, that's pretty good. And if we click no, nothing's happening. So actually, guys, just to know that this has worked, I'm gonna put a print. Let's say print I took your cash. Lol. You don't need the print, guys. I'm just checking that all the whole scripts run through the game. So yeah, I took your cash, lol, and you've got the sword. So let's script the no button. So the no button, what you basically want to happen here, let's say the player doesn't want to buy the item, so they're going to click on the no. So you want to do script. No, you don't. Yeah, you do. Script dot parent dot mouse button one click colon connect function, and you want to do script dot parent dot visible equals false. I'm just gonna exit out them scripts, and if we'll go ahead and press no now, it's just gonna take out of the menu. So the menu's gone. And if you guys want to actually make a button for this, so I'm just gonna insert a button into the GUI, and we're gonna position this button. Let's see. Just gonna grab up this, guys. Position it right there. So I'm gonna make this open. Gonna get this. Scale the text. We're gonna insert an object. We're gonna insert the local script, and we're gonna put Right, script dot parent dot mouse. So what we can put after here is script dot parent. So script dot parent, which would be the text button, dot parent, which would be the screen GUI dot. So now we need to go to the sword dot visible equals true. And this is just going to be an open button, not a closing button, because you can just click yes or no. You don't need the closing button really. So do you want to buy this sword for 120? Look at my cash up here. I've currently got 121. Yes, we've ended up with 1 cash and we can't buy another item. And so guys, if you did go ahead and enjoy this video, please smash a like down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'm very happy with the support on the last video, guys. I'm just putting a little picture up on screen. Like, we gained 82 subscribers and 16,000 views on the channel, so thanks a lot for that. And yeah, so if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and thanks for watching, guys.